So another little tip for today is to keep these little seals for your fittings, the quick connect. Let me see. So inside of there is a little black seal, but it blew out. And when that happens, you're not going to be able to run your machine. It'll leak and it'll blow apart. So pressure washing stores, you find one near you. They sell these seals and they come in two sizes. One's a 1/4 inch quick connect for a 1/4 inch quick connect, and one's for 3/8. So this is the one that we need. And we will put that right inside of here.